Good morning and welcome to another video. You're here with the Vee Family, and today it is game day. Today is man, we got so much on today with cakes and also our pop-up shop that's over at Pacific Market. And so this morning we had to get up extra early. We're up at like 4:30. But yeah, we thought we'll bring you guys along and what it looks like doing cakes and the market at the same time. Wifey's over there. Say what's up, babe. But yeah, I'm gonna pattern these cakes. This cake, and wifey's doing what she's doing. You got something to say, babe? Yeah, no. There's so much on. So today we got it. After I do this, we've gotten my mum that's gonna stand at the shop for us, and then me and wifey are gonna be delivering some cakes and that. Yeah, there's a total of like 5 orders that we're gonna do, cakes, and then we got the market. So yeah, we don't know how we're gonna do it, but we'll find a way. Hey baby. But yeah, come with us. Bit of an update, just got back from setting up the market. Didn't even get any footage of it, but yeah. And when I left, she she went beast mode. She finished off the cakes, all of them. I swear, she's fucking beast there. Oh, that looks hectic. Got a poker, and then we got a pink, and we got a, that's for the, yeah, we'll explain that one later, but yeah, that's a cool one. So the cakes are in the other fridge. Oosh. So yeah, that's the other cake there. But yeah, time to get ready and then head off. As you know, go out, no, brush the teeth. What's the time now? I think it's like 10 to 8.
Delivery. It is the first delivery? Birthday boy. They ordered 2 cakes for the birthday boy. Bit of a poker player and some just simple 685. Orange and white.
You gonna grab that one?
Yeah.
The poker one?
I'll grab the poker one. Then there's the poker one. There's the poker one. I know Richy got it before. Morning everyone, we are open today. Come down to the Pacific Market here at Sweets to Cherish. We have our sweets, we have our brownies, we have our muffins, our brownie muffins, our caramel slice, we have Aussie mokengi. We also have a few cakes, and we have banoffee pies available as well. So come down and grab your sweets for the weekend. We are here till 5 p.m. We'll see you guys. Little sweet treat for the morning. Red velvet cheesecake. Red velvet cheesecake muffin. Oh, people keep getting it confused. They're like muffin, cupcake, or, and then they're like, where are the brownies? These are our brownies. They're just in a muffin version, and that's why we call them muffins.
This is yeah, it's an honor to do someone that's reached this age right here. 107. It's hectic.
Second cake delivery done. How amazing is that? 107 years of age, man. And this is their second time that they've ordered of us. So we did her cake last year for her 106. Yeah, so man, that is, man, milestone to hit 100.
He said that's his wife's his name's George. He knows my parents, and his wife's grandma. Apparently, there's like she has no problems. Just like it's just like her knees, like she can't stand. But apparently, you can have like a normal
She's so
conversation.
Healthy and aware and everything.
She's aware. He was saying that his mom repeats stuff, and she's I don't know how old she is, but he was saying that her it's buzzing because they look after her. Yeah, and he was saying that that you can have a proper conversation. 107,
That's crazy.
Damn, I want to know what her diet is.
It's such a blessing, and we're so blessed to that they chose us again to do her cake. So we are in Hallam, so we're in Southside. We're driving back. We got to go pick up another cake to deliver in Point Cook, and then from Point Cook we go back home, pick up another cake, another 2 cakes. So the last 2, one is a pickup and the other one is in, I think, around the airport, because I think Melbourne Airport golf course or something. So yes, right now we're leaving later than I wanted to, but we can still make it on time. Richie's still wanting to grab a coffee.
I was falling asleep driving.
I fell asleep.
Yeah, we're gonna get that coffee, man. Shout out to those of George and his wife's family.
And Catherine. So Catherine was the one that was in charge of ordering the cake this year.
Yeah, appreciate you guys, man. Like, such an honor to do someone at that age. Yeah, 107. I don't know anyone that's
crazy.
Yeah, blessings and more years to your grandma and stuff. Right. Shout out to you guys.
Because if you see the cake, they wanted to have like a different roles. So they had wife, mother, grandmother, great grandmother, and great great grandmother. And that's 5 generations right there. It's crazy. Yeah. Picked up. What is this? Delivery number 2 or 3?
3.
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, you
Yeah. And then it's a 40-minute drive from our place. You got it? Let's go. We have arrived at the venue. Careful. Let's go. Turn right. Oh, there. Sorry, further up. Directions is not my. This way. Right. I don't know. Okay. You got it? Are you gonna go further back? Oh no, it's wide enough.
Is it?
Yeah. But you still got to, yeah. I think it moves.
Oh no, just put it on there.
Yeah. Turn it around. You're right. I'll hold it, yeah. Just? Yeah. Yeah.
Is the glass alright?
Yeah.
Sure?
Yeah.
I'm gonna fall through the glass.
Nah. You got it? Oh, that's such a pretty setup. To the left a bit. Careful. A bit more. And to the front. You moved it back, yeah. There you go. Yeah?
These are these places. Just going down to the golf course just to have a bit of Chardonnay and a bit of a bevy.
Shh. Lucky no one took our car. It's back home to grab the last 2 cakes.
Ouch!
We're getting there.
In the beginning, our levels were like this, you know. We're like, I don't know. I think at the beginning I was like, I don't know how we're gonna do it, but even yesterday we're like, how are we gonna do the market and do the cakes, and we're just.
Right, that's what he's saying. But last night we were like meant to plan it, and this guy just falls asleep after we ate.
It's hard when you have two burgers from Carl's Jr., 2 fries, and followed up with a bit of ginger beer.
When my alarm went off at 4, I was like, oh my goodness.
Which way is the exit?
I can finally see the light at the end of the tunnel. 2 more cakes.
Nice venue.
And then hopefully we make it back to the market before 5 p.m. because that's when we close. But so far, Pip is doing, Richie's mom is has been holding it down.
My mom's relationship's crack up. Every time I ring her, she's telling me. I'm like, how's it going? Even though I know what's, because everyone pay. She's like, my mom. Some of the people, like, I think my mom doesn't know how to use the
app.
The app that we use. She rings me, she's like, someone bought 5 and then they only wanted 1 brownie, and she was like,
she couldn't find the single.
Can you take the free box because that's the only one? My mom's like telling me that's not the first time she's done it. Which way do we go?
Oh, I need to check it. Picking up the last 2. Let's go. Man, did we mention that today is 37 degrees? Oh, I need to wipe my camera. Let's go. I haven't had time to make a proper stop for lunch, so this is lunch.
Chip sandwich, bro. It's like back home. Like when we're back home in New Zealand. I actually didn't do this in New Zealand, bro. Eating it here is nice, A lot of butter and chips, chicken chips, or salt and vinegar, and fresh bread.
It's the spot when you're desperate.
We had a brownie and caramel slice in the beginning, but they were falling asleep. Oh, I would. That's good.
We're headed off to Melbourne Airport Golf Course to deliver one of the cakes, and then the other one we're taking it back to us at the market. The customer's going to be picking it up from there, so whew, nearly there.
Let's go.
Wrong side. Trying to get the plane that's landing. Oh, it looks closer than.
It looks
Oh, it went back up.
What?
Look, it's going back up. Or is it landing? Oh no, my eyesight is just. Where is it landing?
Yeah.
Where?
Look at it,
Oh,
right
there.
there.
Ah! Oh my gosh, this is the worst capturing that I ever.
Man, we gotta come here with the walls.
I know, you can watch here.
What is this place called?
Golf Club, Melbourne Airport.
What is you can see all
That's
the planes in it.
Yeah. This is like another lookout, eh? Yeah. Oh look, even over here seems like good as when everyone over here is parked. See that? Where? There you go. Oh. Look at that coming.
Is it a little plane?
No, it just looks little, but that is crazy. Oh, it's too far. It's a contest. Qantas. Oh no, Jetstar. Is that
a smaller plane? No, it's not.
It's us videoing like we've found the entrance for where we need to go. See, that's the golf course there. So where's the bloody entrance?
See, we did it. Yeah, it must be on the other side.
It is so hot.
Shorty, eh?
Yeah. Come on.
Follies are giving me the rude eyes.
Do you want me to tell them to fix their eyes? It is so hot. I'm sitting in the aircon as soon as I come out. It's so hot. Oh, careful.
I don't know, but something tells me this guy loves a bit of a VB. A bit of a beer.
Yeah.
Take those cans and those bottles.
nice and cold. That's what it needs. Let's go. Hey fam, we're home now. It's 10:30. We ended up extending our hours. So when we got to the market, we were actually meant to finish around 5 p.m. But when we got there, we still had a lot of stock left, so we ended up extending our hours to 8 p.m. So we were there till 8 p.m. and then started cleaning up. We sold most of our stuff, which we were so grateful for. Thank you to everyone that came down. Man, the weather was crazy. Like, it was not only hot, but it was so windy, and then it was just like hot air blowing constantly. But we're home now. Richy, someone put in a bulk order for banana cakes to get picked up tomorrow, so I told Richy it's up to him whether he wants to take it or not, because he's the one that makes them. And was it a good choice, babe? And so here we are, 10:30. Richy's baking the cakes for bulk order tomorrow, and then I'm making us dinner. Good old kale elengi. And rice and noodles. We did have chicken schnitzels to bring to cook, but the boys took it. They're at their nana's, so they're having that for dinner. So we're just making do with what we have at home, and that's what it is. Do you have anything to say to the people? From 4 a.m. Surely we'll get to bed before. Surely. Regrets.
The lady came and she tasted it right in front of us.
Yeah, yesterday. Yeah.
She was like, "Oh, we want to take 15." Or something.
Yeah.
I thought she said 10, but then she put the order.
Yeah, no, she was like,
15.
yeah, she wants to do more than 10.
They never miss opportunity for people to taste how good this banana
Yeah.
cake is. I rate our banana cake the best in the whole of Australia.
Yo.
You ain't never tasted banana cake.
But it's so cool. Like, a lot of people have been saying that it reminds them of banana cake they've had in Samoa. Hey, like, and that's what she said as well. So it's quite cool that people associated with that memory. And man, we had so many people come for banana cakes today, but they got smashed earlier on in the day. And if we had time, we could have made some more. But man, the cake deliveries. The last one, she came around 4:30 to pick up her cake from the market, and that was it, man. But it's been a long day. A long week. Tomorrow is usually our rest day, so hopefully we get in some rest. That's why Richy wants to get in his cakes done today, so there's less work to do tomorrow. Yeah, just so I'll update you. Sorry we didn't get much of, I don't think we got anything of the market, because man, it was crazy. Like, from 4 a.m. we got up. I started working on the cakes. Richy had to go. You left here like at 6 a.m. 6 a.m. he left to go to the market to set up. But mind you, we don't open up till 10 a.m. But he had to go early because we had to leave home by 8 a.m. to do the first cake delivery. So it was crazy. It was a crazy morning. So Richy went to the market, took all our stuff, set it up, and then handed it over to his mom, who was a champ. And pretty much stood at the shop for us. And thank you to everyone that thank you for your patience with her. And some of the people had to help her because the app stopped working. The app stopped working. She didn't know like how to get back into it and that, but she just called us. She's like, can you talk to this person to tell them to fix the app for me? So shout out to everyone that came through today. Man, honestly, I'm just so glad to be at this part, but I feel sorry for Richie because he's baking. So over to you, babe.
Bills ain't gonna pay themselves. We got holidays to go on.
Exactly.
Holidays.
Come quicker, please.
2 more weeks and we're on holiday.
Yay.
Let's go.
We're just really pushing for that. Mixing all done, babe?
All done.
How many have we got in the oven right now? Got 3 in that one, 3 in that one, and 3 in the home oven. And then you've got your last 6 waiting.
Last
Yeah,
6,
champ.
mate.
We can have dinner now?
Yo.
It's 11:30.
Take like an hour and a bit.
Yeah. So at least the hard work is done, eh? Well done, babe. Good job. May I seek your good boy? This was one of my favorite meals growing up. Kale elengi. Ufala elengi. Kale. Richie doesn't like it this way. He prefers it plain, but it ain't about him tonight. We're gonna do a little Rona and Romeo and share our plate.
Oh.
Say mafakaikai foi le romantic ala wala. How cute are they? How they always eat and how they always share one plate.
Yeah.
If you follow, I'm cooking with Rona. But yes, this is dinner, and then our noodles. And after that in a bowl. And we are ready to eat. I'm starving.
We're all showered now. I mean, I'm showered, you're showered. Now it's time to eat. Let me get it on this.
Sorry, excuse my ear.
Ooh, wifey made us a lingy and some noodle soup. And now we're gonna watch some. If you don't know who this guy is, go and watch him. He always eats at some of the best places. But we're gonna enjoy this and we'll catch up with you tomorrow. Let's go. Guys, you gotta come and get the toes massaged, you know? Bro, we've been on our feet. We've never even
You finished? We finished piping the cakes.
Oh yeah, you can show the video of me and you having a race and you cheated.
Excuse me? You just talk too much smack.
Wifey won the championship.
Piping.
Piping. We have to go get some boxes to put the order in.
Yeah. They're gonna pick up in an hour, so we're just gonna quickly come and get a.
My old lady, I told her, drop off, leave the house at 1:30 so we can get a massage. And then my mom was over because she knows my feet are sore, man.
I know, mine too. I'm surprised that my feet haven't swollen from the pregnancy and the baking and all the stuff.
It's been full on week, man. Baking the cakes, baking the brownies, baking the cakes, baking. Oh my god. And a lot of it on your feet.
I know.
I thought standing would be just easy. Like it's not hard, like for my body. But when I used to do like civil construction, I used to be alright because it's like.
Constantly breathing.
Yeah, but you can sit down and drill stuff, and,
okay.
and like you can think sitting down because like you're in the hole. But man, like when you're baking, you're just on your feet constantly, and we don't want to wear shoes in our house, so.
Yeah, but we need to get indoor.
But I feel like
Crocs.
if you're wearing shoes, it'll be more comfy for you to stay. But
it is because I used to have indoor Crocs.
Yeah, we need to buy some Crocs for indoor because my feet get sore, and I end up getting.
I got like the $2 ones from the market, remember?
Yeah, but are they comfy?
Yeah, because they're like softer than the Crocs. Crocs are a bit hard.
Yeah, man. I see a lot of people go and get like their feet massaged. For me, I'm like, oh man, I
And they
don't
were
want
like,
people
we
touching
need
my
to,
feet.
we need to.
This is our first time, man.
I know.
Oh no, first time. My first time was in
Oh, I still haven't.
And she did my hands, which was real nice, and then she did my feet.
Is that when I went to get my head massage and she was just rubbing my head and I got
That's when you were in
pissed?
there, remember?
I was so angry because that was our last massage.
I know. When we go to I know she She's just going like this here because she thought you were asleep.
I woke up and like all I could feel like it was like this for like a good 5 minutes, and I was like, I just got up. I was so angry. As I've been missing on the vlog. So we'll get you to finish up this one. Is this your first time tasting acai? Is it your first time? Oh yeah, because normally when we go we take Ezekiel with us. Say that music's a bit loud, so hopefully it doesn't catch on. You guys like it? You like it, Eli?
I don't know. Like, I love it.
You like it, Ezekiel? We are back.
Yes, finally it's in the border.
We're back at Melted Street Crepes for our dessert to finish off our week. Our crazy week. Oh. We got one. We got one crepe with Nutella and bananas, and then the other one's just plain with Biscoff. Ooh.
I already want one.
Yay! Are you putting your edibles?
Give me one right now. That looks so good.
Yeah, babe, give him some. Eli.
I want this.
Nutella.
Look. That one. That one. That one.
It's a top. Yeah.
I like pistachio.
The pistachio, it's nice, right? It's my favorite.
I'm trying to get it off fucking bro.
Ham on the pistachio bed. Yeah?
How much?
You want some?
I want it. Oh, look, this is Mom's kitchen. HST. They're making me hungry. I got one of these.
Yeah.
After. Hey, Ezekiel wants you to feed him.
This is strawberry flavor. This.
No, it's acai.
I want. No, yeah. I'm giving you this.
Ezekiel had a really bad reaction to macadamia nuts. He ate 2 full macadamia nuts that was in like a Hawaiian chocolate my dad brought. And he had a really bad reaction, so he said we're a bit scared to try nuts with him. And that's why Richie's trying not to give him the pistachio spread.
I've never tried that. Try that one.
Oh, babe. Taste this one.
Wait, I've never tried it.
That's the...
No.
Ezekiel, no. Sit on.
Good? Yummy?
Savory is like something that's sweet.
Not sweet.
Oh, yes.
See, but baby. Oh, yeah. Oh. Eli, can I tell you what that's doing?
I'm going to find fox.
Just hold on. Ready? Just hold on.
Oh. Money in one hand and toys in the other. Yeah, go. Oh my gosh, where is he? That was so slow, Pissa.
I think my chest broke.
Hi. How did your chest break? Yeah? Yeah, I'm all broken, a little chest.
I was holding on this. Little crack.
Oh, yeah.
Who's that, Mum?
Ben's daughter, I think. Yeah, I know. Maybe. Oh no, he's overseas, I think.
Oh, who's looking after him?
Whoa. 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 Yay! Where's Daddy? Whoa. Oh, a different swing now, eh? Ziki wants to try all the swings. You're gonna jump, Issa? You're gonna jump? Last swing for Ezekiel to try. You like that one, baby? Yeah. Are you sleeping now? You sleeping now, Ezekiel? Good night. Good night, baby.
Rest, sorry, rest. How's your hands? Solid? Go. Ready? Hold on now.
He used to be able to do this for so long as a baby. Now look, it's too heavy now.
3, 2, 1, go.
He's trying to do a pull up. Avoy.
Go, go, go. Oh, Viv, he's actually going to I'll spot you. Go, go, go.
Hey.
Go, I'll spot you. Up, 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 up. Come on, bro. Get tired so you can sleep when you get home. Up, 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 up.
Alright, let's go. I'm getting eaten by mosquitoes, man.
Let's go.
Go, one more. ulo fuaya yan. Watch out, the camera's coming. Watch out, Ezekiel. Wait, Ikelelea.
Guys,
Let it slow down so Ezekiel can jump on.
what? This little. Eli,
Let Ezekiel come.
Ezekiel waited till it's straight down and then
And yeah, go.
let me walk.
Move, Pista. May mekoi vai la gamana.
Sabong and chocolate. Oh, much of
Yeah, that's enough, Eli. That's enough.
I stopped. I think they're coming. Ezekiel, you wanna come up?
Yeah, come on, he's gonna come on. Oh, babe. You alright?
Here's your team.
Did he get his jaw?
You enjoy it, kid?
Did he get his jaw?
Yeah. Here's your team.
Gosh, babe.
Green light.
It's alright. It's alright.
Let's go.
Come on, let's go.
Well, we're gonna.
This is
Oh, Valentine's.
and Dad. I hope you had a good day and you are the best mom and dad out of all moms and dads.
Oh, yeah.
I love
You
you.
heard it. You heard it right here.
And happy Valentine's Day, mom and dad.
Aww,
Thank
so
you, Pista.
cute.
What's yours, Eli, to mom? I already gave it, but mom lost.
Sorry. I put it somewhere. I don't know where I put it.
Oh, wait. I think it's up
Yeah, I think it's one in my pocket.
No, I think it's I'll go get it. I think I know where it is.
Mom. And your favorite color is pink?
Yeah, his favorite color is blue.
Mom, and your favorite color is pink? I'm gonna sing this
Yeah.
salty.
Sorry.
Here
it's
I
not.
go.
Watch out for yourself. Oh, it's not. There's something else. Get off yourself. Get off.
What are you doing? What is your dad doing at this time?
Mom.
Huh?
That's good. I'm your friend.
I
In a video you playing.
Ah,
Mom, let me sing a song for you.
yeah,
Here I
go
go.
over there. Stand over there. You're too close. Yeah, there. Go sing the song.
Talofa Fam, Malye, singing for Malye, singing for Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Nice.
Okay. Wait.
Nega Talofa Fam. Sa so atitul pa ay sitaw tay wanay lo. Wow. Are you ready? Talo, sing it. Wow. Wow.
Talofa Fam.
Yeah.
bro, I'm so trash.
How are you today?
Can you guys go dance over there? It's too, you guys are too close. Yeah, go. Talofa Fam. How are you today? Do you remember me, baby? Can you come and play? Leva lefa alongo. So leo malie. Teine e asawia. Say alofa maya. So se ita. Ti eti ila ta avale. Ti eta vale. Yeah. Mafa alongo. Kese on the radio. Eli was so upset that when we got the video of our dance that you couldn't see him, eh, Eli?
The whole blocking
No one moved it. No one moved the camera. But Eli did so well. That was Eli and Bessa's first performance ever, eh? At Papa's birthday.
ever?
Yeah.
What?
And Ezekiel's just running amok.
Wait, Mom?
Oh, yeah.
This would be rather than the school one.
Ah, true.
Right, I got 3 because of my church.
Oh, that's right.
There isn't that.
Okay, everyone say thank you for, remember to what, Bessa?
Subscribe! Subscribe. Otherwise, Pennywise will be in your dream.
Aye.
And you'll be in your dream forever and you will wake up.
Aye.
No, she's actually talking about I will be in your dream.
Aye. Yeah, now say good night. Say goodbye, everyone.
Good night, everyone.
Good night.
Goodbye, everybody.
Say goodbye.
Oh my god.
Babe, hurry up.
Goodbye.
Good night.
Night.
They subscribe.
I can beat them.
No. He's got